and also given will destroy the Russian nuclear threat. We have that capability, Operation Sugar Horse, which has remained entirely uncompromised.
So I told you that the Russians interrogated you again?
Yes. And I've given them operations in Sugar Horses. I'm waiting for some intel from Sugar Horse asset in Moscow, and then I will expose the identity of the mole in Alpha. The traitor. He has tried to sabotage a 20-year British intelligence operation. When you expose the mole, all hell will break loose both here and in Russia, and we both disappear.
What have you done?
Yeah, I have two.
What's that?
Wait, the other one is just like this. The other one is very nice. Oh,
That's very nice.
yeah, that's why this is expensive.
Just spin it around.
Yeah.
Make a stand.
Yeah, then stand like that.
Yes. Very nice.
Last week's
Yeah.
bombing of 325 Palestinian civilians by an Israeli missile in Gaza has sent shockwaves through the region. The announcement of an emergency summit to be held in London in 2 days' time represents what's sure enough the last chance for both sides to stop the cycle of possible conflict. British Foreign Secretary Rachel Dixon and UN negotiator Paul Denizer have both forces they could be out on the success of the summit.
They're staying at the Stenciling Hotel in Minnesota.
The Israelis will be at the Haymarket in Leicester.
And Paul Denizer from the UN negotiating team.
They're staying at yes.
Can we get some aliens?
Not inside the hotel. Looks like we accused the other of spying on them, or toys with referring to diplomatic grounds.
Of course. Can I show you something?
I have a filter that alerts me to explosive substances or military equipment being sold online. Just flash this up. A limited issue 7.2 PHI immobilizer.
In English.
An assassin's best friend. Point out at a moving vehicle. All the electrics freeze up.
I thought these were classified stuff.
They are.
So what's it doing in public domain 2 days before a highly explosive political summit? I want that back in safe hands before the Israelis and Palestinians so much as touched down one time.
I'm glad you said that. I just really clear buying it.
Good.
Where are you?
I've just seen the UN Special Negotiator in his hotel. Is he always that arrogant?
I think you should pick something up on your way in.
Croissant?
Not exactly.
This latest incident cannot put us on the path towards a lasting peace.
But Lord Dennis and his notoriously pro-Israel purely a special negotiator.
Don't worry, okay.
Rose,
Where to go?
don't you want it or not?
Foreign Secretary.
The Middle East olive tree is almost stripped bare of its branches. Only one remains, and the London summit will either nurture that branch or the tree will surely die. Today's time's leader. So, no pressure then.
If I may introduce my section chief, Ros Myers. She'll be in charge of the security operation for yourself and the UN Special Negotiator.
I wanted to talk to you about that. Claude Denizet has enemies on both sides. I want a minor army protecting him.
That'll make the taxpayer wins.
We've already given him double team protection, sealed off all the areas around the negotiations, and all staff and media personnel have been vetted. We will be talking
Very nice.
good well-being
Yes, it looks nice.
Yeah.
It's the possible arrows from within I'm concerned about.
And you have no idea what intel they might be bringing.
They're breaking 20 years silence. I trust it's more than a weather forecast.
You're hoping they'll tell you who the Sugar Horse Mole is?
Or confirm what we both suspect.
Connie James. I'm sorry, Harry.